Want to improve your English? So today we will discuss how to improve English, the challenge of 7 days to improve your English, and initially how to start improve English. Okay, so if you don't mind, so watch this video till the end. And new my channel, you are new my channel, so don't forget like, share and subscribe to my channel and watch till the end. Okay, so don't waste ample of the time, don't waste crucial time. Let's get started. So today's video, how to improve English, that means the first day challenge to improve English. Okay, so first day we will discuss how to improve English initial days. That means somebody, people, they are search on YouTube or Google's or chat GPT or different type of application. They are search, I improve my English only 7 days or 15 days or 13 days or whatever. But I will share clearly the point of view how to improve English. In not I can say to improve your English only 15 days or 30 days or whatever. Just improve your English is only for practice, daily practice. Okay, so today's how to practice in English I will share with you. Okay, firstly you just start to work on your pronunciation, English pronunciation. This the best method I can share. uh, that means you can try the pen, you can try to pen neat on your teeth. That means wait. Oh, okay, so wait, now I have no pain, but you know just pain you can try to pinch on teeth and try to speak in your mouth. This pronunciation is literally correct. Okay, so you can try this technique. The first is a lot of people they are say hours, that means 3 hours or 4 hours. That is not hour or hours, that is hour. That means this is a correct pronunciation I can say. So that is, and apart from this you can try to write pronunciation as well, the right vocabulary to use, like simple vocabulary. That is the important to improve your English. Okay, so today's first day challenge, that means you can try to speak English very simple vocabulary or simple words as well, simple phrases. Okay, so you can try. And the second thing is, today we will learn as well communication is the most important thing to improve your English. And firstly you just try to initially communicate with other people, not with other people, just only in front of mirror or camera. And some people they are say, i I can try to communicate with other people, but I don't try to speak with in front of camera. And then when I start to record in front of camera, I feeling very lack. That means very shyness feeling, just I cannot be record myself in front of mobile camera. So that is some people they are feel not good to record yourself. And that is the better way to improve English. You can try to record yourself in front of mobile camera, and then this video you can try to listen carefully again and again. And just you're making mistakes, some mistakes, so you can try to improve this mistake and as well improve your English. Apart from this you can try to find out your mistake, what is mistake you have to improve. Some mistake you are doing some, this when you record yourself this time doing some mistake. So when you find out this video, so you can try to improve this mistake. Okay, that is the important thing. And this two thing you can try to listen carefully and improve your English. So that is the best method. And I think you can try to find out. Okay, search or stop this search on YouTube or Google or chat GPT. I can try to improve my English, I want to improve my English, but only for 1 month or 15 days. So that is not possible. Okay, this possible journey is only one. You can try to reading every single day and record yourself. The most important thing, record yourself. And third is right pronunciation is important, as well as simple vocabulary. Okay, that is important thing to improve your English. Okay, so start this. And this video like you, so don't forget like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video.